Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe just to support my channel. So guys, on this video I'm gonna be helping you guys with IRM 1501 assignment 1 under semester 2 2023. So without any waste of time, let's get to it. Okay guys, question 1 question 1 is kind of like tricky. So you can use the study guide if you understand, or you can use internet. That, like for myself, it was, if I was the one answering this thing, I was gonna use the internet. The internet was gonna make a lot of sense than the study guide. So you need to make sure that you answer and then you give that answer quite well. Let me check the question, just that here's the question. Where's the questions? The question paper. Okay. Make a distinction between quantitative and qualitative research methodology and provide examples. So they just want you to make like difference. They just want to know the difference between qualitative and quantitative and qualitative research. So you can just Google this thing and say that the difference between quantitative research and qualitative research, then it's going to appear. There's this website which it has it in a form of a table. Then you just have to take those points and then make sure that they make 8. And then also please write down the examples. Or maybe you can go straight into your study guide. But the study guide, guys, I do believe that, I'm not quite sure, but if you start with 2.2 on page 9, which state that what is document-based research, it kind of like explains the difference, or those quantitative or stuff like that. Or maybe you can go also to page 23. You're gonna find a feedback. Let's go there. A feedback. Let me check it. Yeah, you're gonna find a feedback on activity 3.2, which they stated that the difference between quantitative and empiric what was. So I do believe that empiric is quantitative research. So as they have said on that feedback, it will guide you. But if you use internet, I find it easier if using internet. Just type the difference between qualitative research and quantitative research. It's going to give you the answers, and then also search the examples. Do not forget the examples. So let's move to the next question. So question 2. Question 2 is kind of like tricky. Like this entire assignment is kind of like tricky. It will need you to be like to be a mastermind a bit. So for this one, I tried to check in my devices, but I was not able to find anything because I cannot like use my laptop. My laptop just like it's not functioning very well. So I had to do a research with whatever that I could find. So I'm not able to do a research to that point, but I was able to find the answers on some of previous memorandums. So it states that list different sampling tools that might be used by researchers. So here are those samplings. As you can see on this thing. So we have a qualitative or a quantitative research methodology. We have conveniences, something like that, man. You can see it, guys. Sampling, and then we have purposive sampling, and then we have snowball, and the last one was not mentioned. I don't know what happened, but they are there in the study guide, just that I forgot the page in there. But here are the answers, and then you have to use a footnote, guys. You need to use a footnote through this assignment, because footnote is important in this assignment. You forgot the footnote, then they will forget to give you marks. So here's a reference for this one. Nazo Okay, that's good. It has to, yeah, it is clicked. So the reference is this thing. Hingas, what gene don't do. Guys, if you cannot find this, okay, let me just give you the name of the memorandum or the code. So this is a memorandum for first semester 2022. So if you just look for letter 201 /1 2022, so which means the previous year. Yeah, it's a previous year memorandum. So if you just go through previous year memorandum for some certain assignments under this module, then you're gonna find it. Then you just have to copy this thing, paste it, copy it, paste it, copy it, paste it. So guys, but on that thing of two sampling, as you have seen so many points in it, please don't just write it the way it is. Maybe try to mix, man. Take the lowest state, the upper state, couldn't mix nyana, don't just, you know. And then remember, Gucci, they said that you need to take how many? You have to take I think 2, because of it is 2 marks. Yeah, 2 will do. 2 will do. So don't just write the whole thing, because of the will see Gucci like you have copied in there. So we just want to make it seem smart. Yeah. So guys, if you have any question based on this video, please do comment it, then I will be able to respond to you. But guys, YouTube has updated its features in it, so I can choose Gucci to see everyone's comment or to see those who only have subscribed. So I have selected that option of seeing those who have subscribed, man, because of those are the people that are showing more love, man. So if you do not subscribe and ask me a question, it is not going to appear on us. Even if you make 100 comments, it's not going to appear. So make sure that before you ask me a question, you do subscribe, support my channel, né? All the best. And then guys, please do not forget to reference. And then the other thing is that you need to convert your assignment into PDF, not Word or a docs or something like that. PDF. You need to convert it into PDF, just to avoid any unpleasant convenience.